Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm Anton van Beek from EE Group, and today we're going to show you DJI's new long-range survey LiDAR. I'd like to introduce the L3. It's designed for bigger areas, faster capture and faster delivery and accuracy. Combined with the M400, we've got a lot of safety features added to that. So let's go through the unboxing and go through what you get with the package. Let's look at the accessories that comes in the hard box. We've got the LiDAR and camera cover to protect the lenses, an SD card reader, 1 terabyte SD card, and then a toolkit for assembling and removing the gimbal, and then the gimbal connector that's designed for the L3. Okay, I'm briefly gonna show you some of the highlights and major differences between the L2 and the L3. First of all, the LiDAR scanner, we've got 3 different modes you can scan in now. It's linear, non-linear, and an additional star shape scanning you can do. We've also now got up to 16 returns, scanning at 350 kilohertz. As you can see, the L3 is quite bigger than the L2. At the top, we've got the new gimbal connector with the handle, which allows us to easily connect and disconnect from the drone. In the front top, we've got the LiDAR sensor, and then at the bottom, the 2 100 megapixel cameras at an angle which gives us a 106-degree field of view. Let's look at some of the performance parameters. First of all, in the system, a typical working altitude is between 120 and 500 meters, typically 1 in 500, and we also support 1 in 1000. In terms of system accuracy, we're looking at vertical of 3.5 centimeters, horizontal 5 centimeters at 150 NIDAR, and then 5 centimeters vertical and 10 centimeters horizontal at 300 NIDAR. If we look at the LiDAR system, the measuring range varies from 290 meters to 950 meters, depending on the scanning frequency. And the scanning frequency varies between 100 kilohertz and 2000 kilohertz. The scanning mode and field of view, the linear repetitive scanning, the horizontal field of view is 80 degrees and vertical 3 degrees. With the star-shaped repetitive scanning, horizontal 80 degrees and vertical 80 degrees. And then the non-repetitive with the same horizontal and vertical of 80 degrees. The scanning frequencies, as mentioned, was between 100 and 2000 kilohertz. And then the number of returns from 1 up to 16 returns. In terms of the RGB camera, it's dual 100 megapixel camera, micro four thirds format, the field of view 106 degrees, and it's got continuous shooting intervals. The fastest mode is 0.5 seconds at 25 megapixels, and the fastest is 1.2 seconds at 100 megapixels. So across warehouse facades, playground thin members, and power line corridors, the L3 shows more uniform coverage, better thin feature continuity, richer structural detail, and more faithful colorization, with cleaner RGB alignment and fewer color schemes, especially when leveraging repetitive modes for consistency and non-repetitive for broader sampling and penetration. In vegetation, the L3 delivers stronger canopy penetration and finer branch retention, reducing shadowing and revealing understory structures, ideal for forestry and clearance analysis like power lines. The nice thing about the L3 is that you can change the scanning frequency, which allows you to play around with your density and covering bigger areas. It is also the fact that you've got the two wide angle cameras in there. With the laser, you can do ortho photos and LiDAR in one sortie, which means you less time out in the field and capture bigger areas. In terms of the processing, when you buy the L3, it comes with the DJI Terra for life, and also a DJI Modify for 3 months. And which allows you, obviously the DJI Terra allows you to do registration of the L3 data, and then continue on to Modify, where you can do point cloud classification, measurements, and additional analysis on the results. As you can see, the L3 gives us long-range precision, immaculate imagery, and also end-to-end workflow. If you would like more information, leave us a note in the comments or email us at enterprise@eegroup.com.au. Thanks for your time.